Om Shanti, dear viewers. Once again, your immense love and trust have created history. After the Om Shanti channel reached its milestone of 1 million subscribers, today Music Godlywood, the second music channel of Godlywood Studio, also achieved the glorious benchmark of 1 million subscribers. On this special occasion, we lovingly remember each one of you, our viewers, our sevadaris, and all collaborators of Godlywood Studio, and extend our heartfelt gratitude. On this joyous day, we invite all of you to join in this celebration. The vision of Music Godlywood has always been to awaken a spiritual experience in every heart. For divine love is not contained in words, it resides in experience, and music became that sacred experience. Through these soulful melodies, a unique spiritual fragrance from the Brahma Kumari's headquarters, Madhuban, is spreading across the world. I express my view through some melodies because this is musical channel. मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जोरों को जीवन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है. What began on demand during the COVID-19 debacle with just a few listeners has today expanded into a magnificent global family of 1 million subscribers. This journey is blessed by the love, faith, and good wishes of all those souls who embraced God's remembrance, peace, and positivity through this divine music. Behind this success, I must remember the love and blessings of Bap Dada, the affectionate sustenance of our revered dadis and senior brothers, tireless spiritual efforts of Ramesh Bhaiji, and the prayers and love of all our listeners. These are our true pillars of strength. Holding this pure feeling in our hearts, we express our deepest gratitude to all of you once again through this melodious song. तुम जो हमारे मीत न होते, गीत ये मेरे गीत न होते, हंस के जो तुम ये रंग न भरते, ख्वाब ये मेरे ख्वाब न होते, तुम जो हमारे. On Music Godlywood, along with Hindi songs, music is also presented in 10 Indian regional languages such as Bengali through Rabindra Sangeet and Dhunuchi dance, through Gujarati, Sugam Sangeet and Garba, Marathi through Bhavgeet, Nepali through Dhuri music with Maruni and Mayur dances, Punjabi through its Bhangra, Sufi songs, Qawwali, Punjabi pop and rap songs, Telugu through Kuchipudi, Tamil through Bharatnatyam, and English through songs and musics for the entire world, so that every soul may connect with God easily in their own language. More than 450 plus artists, both new and established, have contributed over 3,500 plus songs to the Music Godlywood channel. I must remember, among them are legendary creators and composers like Kavi Pradeep ji, Minu Purushottam, Shyam Chittar, Om Vyas ji, B.K. Mohan, B.K. Satish, and certain celebrated singers such as Mukesh ji, Mahendra Kapoor ji, Suresh Wadkar ji, Kavita Krishnamurti, Anuradha Podwal, and Anup Jalota ji, Sadhana Sargam, Alka Yagnik, Sonu Nigam, Shan, Udit Narayan ji, B.K. Ashmita, Mitta brothers, along with remarkable contribution from B.K. Harish Moel, Pamela Jain, B.K. Brijesh Mishra, S.J. Janani, and B.K. Rakesh, B.K. Chand Bajaj, B.K. Nikhil, and many other emerging artists too. Music Godlywood hosts a rich variety of special programs and series, including Bhule Bishre Geet, songs based on Sakar Murlis, Yadon ke Jharokhe se, in memory of dadis and seniors, Amrit Vela and evening meditation music, devotional and motivational songs, Unplugged, Divine Mashup, Godlywood Originals, Divine Harmony, like live programs. Your favorite show, Aapki Farmaish, the global series around the world with Brahma Kumaris, and the soothing program, Relax with Music, for stress relief and restful sleep, are specially broadcast. The Music Godlywood platform also offers a golden opportunity for emerging artists worldwide to showcase their talent. Music Godlywood is the first and only non-monetized 24/7 spiritual music YouTube channel in the world with 1 million plus subscribers, broadcasting uplifting and devotional music all the day, every day throughout the year, helping souls to connect with supreme truth. This spiritual channel receives over 12 million views every month. Godlywood Studio, from the depth of its heart, express profound gratitude to all its viewers. At this juncture, I have to once again thanks to my all Seva Sathis and specially channel department under the leadership of Shikha Ben and his entire team, who dedicatedly and devotionally carry on these shows to reach today's our event. Godlywood Studio, from the depth of its heart, express profound gratitude to all its viewers. With your inspiration, the musical journey will continue to carry the message of peace, love, and God's remembrance to every soul. Once again, by concluding my today's address with a melodious song, आज से पहले, आज से ज्यादा खुशी आज तक नहीं मिली इतनी सुहानी, ऐसी मीठी घड़ी आज तक नहीं मिली आज से पहले।